Hi Cheryl, my name's Tom McCoubry. We spoke a few days ago about this GLS 580 in lunar blue on beige, and now that it has arrived, we are going to put a short video tour together for you. We'll walk around the exterior of the vehicle, touch on some options and features it has, then go on the inside and do the same. All right, now that we're inside the vehicle, I'll touch on a couple of the features and options in here. So, starting on the driver's side door here, we do have the controls for our heated and cooled seats. So the front seats are actually ventilated as well. So those are just controlled right here. The third button allows you control of the passenger seat. Everything else over here is kind of standard Mercedes with window controls and headlight controls, which are automatic headlights, automatic wipers, those types of things. All your distronic cruise control functions are controlled right from the steering wheel. With these four buttons here. These other two allow you control over your full digital dash. Another really nice feature in here is heads-up display. From the angle you're at, you can't see it, but essentially when you turn on the heads-up display, it gives you pertinent driving information that projects up against the windshield. So as you're driving down the road, you can see your speed, direction of travel, rate projected on the window. You don't even have to look at your screens for that info. It does have heated steering wheel, which is all controlled with a button on the left side of the steering column. Another really nice feature this one has is heated and cooled cup holders, controlled with a button right here in the center. And then really nice option up top here is the big pano roof. So you do have a dual window roof up there. The front half opens, and then if you do want to close it all, you can just hit that button and shut the shade, which for lighting we won't shut all the way right now. And then you do have things such as wireless charging, Apple CarPlay or Android Auto, 360 camera, parking assist, an adjustable suspension. Just the list goes on with this car. Lots of options, really nice features. So if you have any questions, please feel free to reach out to me. My name again is Tom McCoubry. My phone number is 207-510-2286. Thanks.